Hello and good morning, class. Welcome to our English class. My name is Tashnam Kuriga and I will be your class for this subject. Now, before we begin, let us all bow down our heads for our opening prayer. Let us all now pray. Okay, thank you so much for that. Now, before we run through our lesson, let me remind you some of the rules and the etiquettes in online learning to make our learning journey more meaningful and productive. And also, I will be checking your attendance now. Okay, everyone is present for today's lesson. That is good. Now, for this lesson, at the end of our lesson, students, you are expected to identify the factors in public speaking, and also you are also expected to develop a forceful and effective public speaking using the factors and techniques in public speaking. Now, I am going to ask you a question that is relevant to our lesson for today. And the question will be, what comes to your mind when you think about talking or presenting in front of the class or an audience? Anyone from the class, please? Yes, Ms. Gomez. Yes, that is correct. It seems like Ms. Gomez here has gained experience in public speaking. Now, why did I ask some sort of question? Any guess? Yes, you are correct. It is because our topic for today is all about public speaking. So what is public speaking? Public speaking entails delivering a speech in front of a large audience in a formal situation. It is communicating ideas with others through large as well as actions, and communicating with the audience directly to create ideas in the mind of others with the use of facial expressions and stimuli of words and movements. Now, Aristotle introduced three factors that is very important in public speaking. That is first, the ethos. What is ethos? It is the credibility of the speaker. Second factor is the logos. It is the logical arrangement of words and the sentences. And the last factor is pathos. It is the ability to create a connection between the speaker and the audience. Is that clear, class? Okay, very good. Moving on. Moving on to Cicero's 5 canons of rhetoric. Cicero's 5 canon rhetorics has 5 factors. This includes invention, arrangement, style, memory, and delivery. Now, here are some techniques of public speaking. First, plan appropriately. Second, take a deep breath for maintaining calmness. Engage with your audience. Pay attention to body language. Think positively. Cope with your nerves. Watch recording of speeches and more practice and experience, because in this way, you can deliver your speech in a very well-mannered and very confident. Now, for our first activity, class, I will be giving you a jumbled words. This is a 5 jumbled words, and you are going to guess the hidden word. Is that okay? And I will be giving you 2 minutes to answer. Time starts now. Okay. Seems like it is easy for you to guess the hidden words. So, and relate to the activity, can you now guess the factors in public speaking? Very good, class. How about how to deliver a good speech? Anyone? Yes, that is true. In order to deliver a well-mannered and well-structured speech, we need to employ the factors, the techniques in order for our speech more meaningful and more well-mannered. Now, I will give you a recap of our lesson, that is public speaking. Public speaking is about talking in front of an audience. It is about communicating ideas through words or movement. It is about connection between you and your audience. Is that clear? Okay. Jumping up to your second activity, you are tasked to at least create a speech, at least 2 to 3 paragraphs, and you can maximize it to 2 to 3 sentences. You can choose any type of speech. It could be to inform, to persuade, or to entertain. Each of you will be given 2 minutes to present their speech, and you will be graded to the following criteria. This is content, 10%, creativity 5%, language use 5% for a total of 20%. Okay, very good class. I am very pleased with the presentation of each of you. Give yourself a virtual clap rather. Okay, now for our quiz, I will be giving you a 5-item identification quiz. Now, the instruction is identify the factors being asked in each question. So you will be given 3 minutes to answer this quiz. Time starts now. Okay, very good class. It seems like every one of you has mastered the factors and the techniques in public speaking, since most of you got perfect score during the quiz. Now, since we are at the ending of our lesson, you will be tasked, or for your assignment, you are tasked to select and practice a persuasive speech from a book or the internet. Deliver the said speech tomorrow using the learning that you have gained in public speaking, which is our lesson for today. You will be graded according to the following criteria: language style, 10%, vocal delivery, 20%, and physical delivery, 20%, for a total of 50%. So that will be all, class. I hope you learned something for today. See you on our next class for your presentation. Goodbye and thank you.